Floating corner wooden shelves have emerged as one of the most stylish, sustainable, and profitable decor solutions in today's market. Blending the beauty of simplicity with the intelligence of functionality in a way that resonates deeply with modern homeowners, design enthusiasts, and eco-conscious buyers alike, because they are more than just storage. They are versatile design elements that transform unused corners into showcases of personality and efficiency while carrying a powerful message of sustainability. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of floating wooden corner shelves design ideas for stylish decor that sells fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the world of interior decor, where trends come and go, floating shelves stand out because they strike a rare balance between timelessness and adaptability, fitting seamlessly into rustic, modern, minimalist, or eclectic homes without losing their charm. And when placed in corners, they not only maximize underutilized spaces, but also create visual depth and dimension, turning overlooked areas into highlights of the room. For the beginner woodworker or DIY enthusiast, crafting these shelves represents an approachable yet highly rewarding project, one that requires modest tools and materials, but produces results that look custom and professional. And for entrepreneurs, they offer a path to profitability because they meet today's consumer demand for functional beauty, sustainable design, and decor that tells a story. The eco-conscious message carried by floating corner shelves comes from the fact that they can be built from reclaimed or scrap wood, breathing new life into discarded materials and reducing waste while delivering products that feel rich in texture, character, and authenticity. Each grain pattern, each knot, each subtle imperfection adds to the uniqueness of the shelf, making every piece a one-of-a-kind treasure, and buyers are increasingly drawn to such authenticity, preferring handmade, sustainable goods over mass-produced, impersonal alternatives. The profitability lies not only in the low material costs, but also in the high perceived value. What begins as a simple wooden board can, through thoughtful design and finishing, become a sought-after piece of home decor capable of commanding a premium price. The popularity of floating corner shelves also reflects shifting lifestyles, as more people seek efficient ways to decorate smaller urban homes, apartments, and studios where every square inch matters. And corner shelving provides a smart solution that adds beauty without taking up valuable floor space. A set of rustic shelves installed in a kitchen corner becomes a charming place to display spices and mugs, while sleek, modern floating shelves in a living room showcase books, plants, or curated decor items, each application enhancing both function and aesthetics. The versatility of these shelves means they appeal to a broad market, from young renters who want affordable yet stylish upgrades to homeowners who value sustainability and originality, and even to business owners looking for attractive, space-saving solutions in cafes, studios, or boutiques. For the maker, the process of crafting floating corner shelves becomes a lesson in how creativity and sustainability intersect with profitability, as each step, from cutting and sanding to staining and mounting, reinforces the idea that value is not solely defined by complexity, but by how well a piece fits into and improves the lives of its users. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The simplicity of the design makes it accessible to beginners, while the endless opportunities for customization through wood type, finish, shape, and mounting style allow more advanced creators to experiment and innovate, expanding their offerings and appealing to varied tastes. This adaptability ensures that floating corner shelves remain in high demand across design trends, because they are not tied to a single style, but instead act as a canvas for whatever aesthetic the maker or the buyer envisions. Beyond their physical presence, these shelves embody a powerful narrative that resonates with today's eco-conscious consumers. The story of wood repurposed, of waste transformed into wealth, of design that respects the planet while enhancing daily life. Buyers are not just purchasing shelves, they are investing in values, in a lifestyle that prizes both sustainability and style, and this emotional connection increases their willingness to pay a premium. Each sale becomes more than a transaction. It becomes a shared commitment to living beautifully and responsibly, and in this way, floating corner shelves transcend their function as decor and become symbols of a broader movement toward mindful consumption. For entrepreneurs, this makes them not only profitable products, but also effective entry points into a brand identity rooted in eco-conscious living, handmade quality, and stylish functionality. The ripple effects of such products extend into marketing, where the story of reclaimed wood, the demonstration of simple design transforming spaces, and the celebration of smart storage solutions create powerful content that resonates on social media, in online shops, and at craft fairs. For DIYers, sharing the process of crafting these shelves builds community and inspires others to join in, reinforcing the cycle of creativity and sustainability. And for homeowners, installing these shelves creates personal satisfaction, turning an unused corner into a feature that reflects their taste, their values, and their appreciation for handmade design. Floating corner wooden shelves, then, are not just profitable treasures. They are ambassadors of an eco-conscious message that is increasingly urgent in today's world, a reminder that beauty and responsibility can coexist, that simplicity can be powerful, and that even small projects can create big impacts. They embody the belief that style should not come at the expense of sustainability, that functionality can enhance rather than limit beauty, and that craftsmanship, whether by a beginner just learning or an experienced maker building a business, can create value that extends far beyond the finished product. The popularity of these shelves is a testament to their ability to capture the essence of modern decor: smart, sustainable, stylish, and deeply personal. They invite us to see corners not as wasted space, but as opportunities, to see scrap wood not as waste, but as raw treasure, and to see every project not as an end, but as part of a process where creativity, sustainability, and profitability converge. In this way, floating corner shelves become more than home decor. They become lessons in how to live, create, and thrive in a world that values meaning as much as beauty, and they prove that with imagination and intention, even the simplest projects can shine as brilliant examples of how design shapes lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked floating wooden corner shelves design ideas for stylish decor that sells fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.